Hey guys, what are you fighting about? Oh, you're trying to see who is the strongest? Why don't you have a strongman competition? I'm sure Maverick can knock something up for you. All right, I'll go get him. Hey, Maverick! What are you doing? That's very impressive, Maverick. Max and Mike are having a fight over who's the strongest. Can you help them decide by making a competition before they get hurt?
Mama.
Haha.
Hey, Mia. Nice landing.
Oh,
Mama.
Ready to help set up the competition?
Haha.
All right. Have an idea for the competition, Maverick? Oh, hey guys. Are you here to help set up the competition? Wake up, guys. It's time for the competition. Okay, guys, you have to lift all these balls onto the pedestals. Each one is heavier than the last. The person who lifts the heaviest ball up wins. Got it? Okay, go. Time's up, guys. Looks like Mike lifted the heaviest ball. Okay, guys, this time you have to throw the barrels over the banner. Each one is heavier than the last. You'd better get out of there, Maverick. Max, you threw the heaviest barrel over, so you win this round. This one's a race, guys. First one over the line with the weights wins the competition and is declared Monster Town's strongest monster. Ready to go? Three, 2, 1, go! Harder than it looks, eh? What's the matter, Mike? Quicksand! Oh no! Somebody help!
Aw.
Hey, what?
Maverick has decided that Mia is the strongest monster. She carried Mike over the finish line as well as Mike's weights.
What?
Guys, you might have to settle it yourselves after all.
Oh.
Ah.
Maverick, that was amazing!
Hey! Mama, binama.
You want to show your new trick to your friends?
Banana, 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 banana.
Where is everyone?
Mama, bata.
Why don't you check on your monitors?
Mama, mama. Uh-huh.
You forgot about the crazy race?
Banana.
Well, you'd better get going now. Hey, Mo! How's the race? You're taking it steady? Good idea. Mike, what are you doing? A secret plan, eh?
Hello. Minama.
Mike, did you see Maverick's trick?
Hello.
You thought it was cool?
Mama. Minama. Bilala.
Mo, you won! While everyone was fighting, Mo just drove past. Very clever, Mo. Maybe you guys will have to rethink your strategy next time. We'll see you later, everyone.
Hi, Miranda. Beautiful day today, isn't it? What's that humming noise? Do you hear it?
Don't know.
It seems to be coming from that rock. Oh no! Looks like you're stuck there, Miranda. Maybe someone is around that can help. Hi, Milo. Hi, Mitch. Miranda is stuck to a strange rock in the forest.
Oh.
Hey, Maverick. Testing the air in your tires? Miranda needs your help, Maverick. Hey, Mike.
Baba. Balabu.
Miranda went closer to a rock and got stuck to it. Can you help? Great. Let's go. Stand back, guys. If you get too close, you may end up stuck like Miranda. Are you arguing about who should try to use their crane to pull Miranda? You're going to toss a coin? Well, that didn't go as planned, did it?
그러면 너네요.
No, Milo. Here comes Maverick. And he brought Mike to help.
Minama. Mama. Mama.
Mike is clearly strong enough to pull you all from the rock, but his blade is also metal, so we need to put our heads together to figure this out.
Are you?
It's a figure of speech, Milo.
Balaboo!
Mike, we need to use your blade to push Miranda and Milo off the rock. But first, we need to figure out how to make sure you won't get stuck either.
Ha!
Hang on a second. Is that aluminum foil? Aluminum will not stick to a magnet.
Down!
What if we wrap one side of Mike's blade in aluminum foil and use it to push you guys off the rock?
Hey, red. Hey.
That should do it, Mike.
Balaboo!
Why don't you go behind Miranda and Milo and push them off the rock?
Ooh la la. Oh, balaboo!
Oh.
It's working.
Hey! Ha!
Here's your coin, Milo.
Oh.
Ha ha ha!
You're being rescued just in time, guys. The sun is setting now, and soon it will be dark. Enjoy your evening, guys. See you soon.
Oh.
Oh no! You were so close, Milo and Mitch. Try one more time. Come on! Push hard! Looks like you'll need some help. Let's call Maverick.
Hey! Ha ha!
Well done, Maverick. You're so creative. This is an ingenious solution to move snow. But you'll have to stop it now, as we've got a mission for you. Milo and Mitch need your help. Milo and Mitch are trying to put this giant Christmas tree straight up, but it's too heavy. They need help from other monsters. We should get some help from our friends. Let's see who's around town. Oh, look! There's Malcolm. He's snowed in. Malcolm, can you hear us? I think he can't. How are we going to talk to him? Are these walkie-talkies? Awesome! Hey Malcolm, Maverick has an idea. He wants you to use your magnifying glass to focus sunlight onto the snow. This should melt it and free your way. It worked! Fantastic! Now let's go and help our friends. Looks like Mike is also stuck in snow. We need to help him get out. What? You've got another idea, Maverick? That's it, Maverick. You'll be able to lift Mike with this car jack. Good job, Mike. You are a snowplow. Guys, our mission is waiting. Let's go and help Milo and Mitch. Mike, you drive first. Miranda, you are completely frozen. Guys, how are we going to get her out of this? No, Mike, you can't use your shovel. This could hurt Miranda. Sorry, Malcolm. The sun is down, so you can't use your magnifying glass trick. Any other ideas?
Mama, Minama.
What? You've got an idea, Maverick? I'm very curious about it. Wow! By spinning your tires, you generate heat, and the heat melts ice. How are you feeling, Miranda? That's better. You're all right now. Would you like to join us on a mission?
No.
That's great! Let's hit the road then. Poor Milo and Mitch, you look exhausted. But don't worry, Miranda is here and will give you medicine. Here you go, guys. This will put you back on the wheels. All right, monsters. Let's put this giant Christmas tree straight up. This must be teamwork, my friends. Let's see if you can still do it. Oh no! It's tipping over again! Mike, do something! Yes! We did it! The Christmas tree is up! Fantastic job, my friends! Now we can put the decorations on. Milo, Mitch, do you have any?
Oh.
Wow, Mike, that's so thoughtful of you. And this is what we need after so much hard work today. Hot chocolate! How lovely! We've got a Christmas tree, we've got presents, hot chocolate, and we've got the best friends together drinking hot chocolate. Merry Christmas, my friends. See you next time.
Minama.
Hi, gang. The tree looks fantastic. It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. You just wish it would snow. Monster Town didn't get a lot of snow this year. But don't be sad, Miranda. Tonight, you get to exchange Christmas gifts with your friends. That'll be fun. Is something wrong, Mike? You haven't gotten Miranda's gift yet. Oh dear. The gift exchange is in a few hours. You're going to go to the beach to get her a nice shell or starfish. Better hurry. That's an awesome starfish, Mike. But it looks a little too far out of reach. Be careful, Mike. It's too far out. It's gone, and now you're stuck. Better give Maverick a call before you get into more of a mess.
Balaboo. Minama. Hey.
Great jump, Maverick!
Mama. Hey. Huh.
Sorry to interrupt you, but Mike needs your help. He drove into the water at the beach, and his tires are stuck in the sand. That's probably Mike now.
Oh.
Do you think you can get to the beach before Mike sinks even deeper, Maverick?
Malao. Minama.
Good idea. Bring M and M along to help. Mike is at the beach and needs help. Can you guys go to lend a hand?
Oh.
Great! Go catch up.
오예.
아하.
미리마리 바보.
Maverick and M&M are here to help, Mike.
바나나.
왕이.
Phew! Thanks, guys. Mike went into the water to pick up a starfish.
마마.
Not for himself, Maverick, for Miranda. He has no gift for Miranda at the gift exchange. Do you guys have any ideas? You have an idea, Milo? What is it? A car horn that plays silly music? Sounds fun, but Miranda has a siren that lets people know help is coming. She can't use a silly horn when she's working. That was a good try, Milo. Can you think of anything else?
미리마리 바보.
New wind goggles like Mia wears?
아.
Nice thought. But Mia wears those because she flies through the wind. Miranda doesn't really need goggles.
미나마.
Good idea, Maverick. Everybody has to think like Miranda. If you were Miranda, what would you want? A helmet. Why would Miranda want a helmet? Oh, you would want a helmet because Mitch keeps bonking you. You're funny, Milo. Now let's concentrate on what Miranda would want. Mike, you spent the morning with Miranda. Was there anything that she said she really wanted? She said that she wants it to snow.
미리마리 바보.
No, Milo. Unfortunately, we can't make it snow. What is it, Maverick?
마마마. 띠라라. 마마. 메네마.
You're saying that we can make it snow?
Hey.
How?
Hey.
Of course! Mike can give Miranda a snow globe! What a great idea! Miranda will love it! Thanks for your help, guys. Mike's off to get the snow globe. He'll meet you at the gift exchange. Wow! Looks beautiful, guys! Here's Mike! Here's the snow you wished for, Miranda. Merry Christmas, everyone. See you next time.
유후. 유후.
我男朋友好了呢呀。
Hi, Max. Hi, Miranda.
真的好好。
You're right. Max is looking really strong. Want to see something even more impressive, Miranda? Really? You think you can move that heavy rock? Amazing! You'll have to push a bit harder, Max. Uh-oh. Oh no! Max is trapped in a cave!
那么呢？
We'd better call for help! Hey Maverick, what are you doing?
마마. 미나마.
You're training so you can be even faster. No more training for today. There's an emergency to get to. Max is trapped inside the forest cave. We need someone strong enough to move that big rock. Great idea. Let's see if Mike's free. Hi there, Mike.
Hey.
What are you doing? You're making a pond? Nice. Sorry about that, Mike, but there's an emergency. Max is trapped. Can you come and help? Thanks. It's okay, Max. Help is on the way. Reckon you could move that rock, Mike? It's not working.
Maman, pata.
We need Max to push the rock out a bit so Mike can move it out of the way?
Hey.
Hey, Mike, did you hear that? Okay, let's give it a go. That's it, Max. Keep going. Just a bit more, Max. Then Mike can take over. Well done, Max. Mike, Maverick thinks you'll be able to move the rock now. Oh, you're all scratched and bruised. Good job. Miranda's here to fix you. Sure, Mike. You're free to go and finish making your pond now. First, let's get some ointment on your injuries. How about some bandages next? Great job, Miranda. What now? You want to help Mike fill his new pond to say thanks for rescuing you? Good idea. Lead the way, Maverick. See you next time, monster trucks.
Hi, Mia. Looks like you're having real fun out there. Wow, Mia. That's impressive. Careful out there, though. No! Careful, Mia! Oh my! Mia, are you okay? You've broken one of the pipes during your fall. The well is getting flooded. We need to call Maverick. Coming back real soon, Mia. Hello, little Maverick. Why so sad? Oh, I see. You wish this trampoline could take you way up in the air and make you fly? I'm sure you'll manage eventually, little one. I have a mission for you. Mia was doing some loops, but got stuck in a well, and it's about to get flooded. Can you fetch some help quickly? Mia, are you still there? The well is half filled with water, Maverick. Who should we call to help Mia? Milo and Mitch, of course. Let's go get them. Hi, monster cranes. Something happened to... Guys. Guys, listen. Maverick needs your help. Mia is stuck inside a well that is about to get flooded. Can you help her? Great. Let's go then. There she is. Quick, guys. She's nearly drowning. Don't you worry, Mia. Maverick has brought some help to get you down. Almost there, guys. Use your hook. Gotcha. Mia, try not to fall. Thanks for your help, Cranes. You really make a great team when you work together. Now, how are you going to repair these pipes? Oh, boy. Maverick, Mia wants to give you a tour of the city to thank you. You're finally flying, Maverick. Enjoy.
Hey, Mo. Nice cabin. Nearly finished? Oh, no! Are you okay? You're trapped? Okay, I'll go get Maverick. Nice wheelie! Mo was building a cabin and got trapped under some logs. Can you save him?
Cool.
Hey, Mike! Maverick needs your help. Mo was building a log cabin and it collapsed. Now he's stuck. Can you help dig him out? Thanks, Mike. Mo, Maverick and Mike are here to help. Right, you better get started, guys. Heavy? This might take a while, eh? Good job, guys. You got Mo out of there. Why are you sad, Mo? You should be grateful Maverick and Mike came to help. You don't want to start building again? Right, Maverick. Now Mo has a chance to make an even better cabin. What do you say, Mo?
Yeah.
All right, let's get to it. What is it, Mike? Oh, you think you need to dig a foundation for the cabin? Good idea. It won't fall over then. Okay, let's get going. You don't like sand? Right, it does get everywhere.
Oh yeah.
Looks ready to go. Looking good. Wow! Good work, guys! Enjoy the cabin, guys. See you later.